Give it up. Jerry Duck.
I'll get the PA system going here. Tie it in on top, flip the vise over, tie it in at the bottom. This is a working man's fly.
About the title.
The title?
Great, man.
Inland Oceans, man, that's what it is. If people haven't seen the Great Lakes, you know, they have this concept that it's like, you know, the park down the road or something like that.
Yeah.
You know, oh yeah, it's, yeah, it was quite a project, but a lot of fun putting it together. First name? Jason. Jason.
Sorry guys,
For drum, what are you running for gear?
My ear froze. Can I come in and warm it up, please?
It did freeze.
Ear froze.
Put that outside?
No, it's in my car.
Nice.
Woo!